Best Electric Bug Zapper Review. In this video, we'll share with you one of the most popular insect killers in the market that have been used by thousands of people who have given their stamp of approval. We'll share with you some of the features of what makes this pest killing device so popular. Also in this video, you get to see a quick demo of how easy it is to set this up and use it right away. The one that made our list is the Aspectac Electronic Bug Zapper. This device attracts insects with its UV light and zaps them on its high voltage metal grids. It attracts all kinds of pests including flies, moths, mosquitoes and other flying insects. For your safety, there's a mesh screen that protects you and your family from coming into contact with the electrical grid. You can hang it anywhere with the accompanying chain or place it down on any solid surface. There's a removable tray at the bottom which you can take out and clean easily. To check out the full specs of the Aspectac Electronic Bug Zapper and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/bestbugzapper. Here's a quick video of this insect zapper being used. There you have it, the Aspectac Electronic Bug Zapper. Considering its ease of use, the quality of this device, and the wide variety of insects it can get rid of, we feel that this bug zapper is the most value for money. Again, to check out the full specs of the Aspectac Electronic Bug Zapper and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/bestbugzapper. Alright, thank you for watching.